Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
So Amanda thinks that she knows root beer better than I know ginger ale.
So today we're going to do a blind taste test with our favorite pops.
Let's get into it.
Let the record show that Tyler was right.
Amanda said, "Oh, don't worry. Hasty Market's pop section is huge. They'll definitely have all the kinds that we need." What do they have? One.
Hey everyone, so these are the pops I chose for Ty. He has no idea which one's which. So for A, we have PC Ginger Ale. For B, we have Canada Dry. C is Compliments Ginger Ale. And D is Schweppes. Hey everyone, we're back with Ty. He's going to guess which ginger ale is in which glass. He has no idea which is in which, so he's gonna guess from A to D. Let's see how well he does.
I feel like I gotta be fancy and drink it with like my pinky out, like it's like it's tea. Maybe taste it like it's wine. Do a little sniff. Am I guessing for each one, or taste them all and then pick out which ones I know?
Taste them all, then pick out which ones you know.
Alright. Definitely think that one's Canada Dry. Ooh, that one's fizzy. Okay, I'm gonna say B is Canada Dry, D is Schweppes, PC and Compliments. How good did I do?
You got it perfect.
So apparently I know my ginger ale. Alright everybody, so Amanda's outside, so she has no idea what pops are gonna be what. So I'm gonna get this set up. Alright, so I've set them in this order. So A is going to be Mug, B is going to be PC, C is going to be the Barks, and D is going to be A&W. Let's see if Amanda can figure this out. Alright, so Amanda has no idea which root beers are which from A to D. Let's find out if she knows her root beers as good as I know my ginger ale.
I can smell some of them. Okay, I'll start off with mine. Okay. All of them at once?
Does it have notes of oaky wood or sugar cane?
This one does.
Put your pinky up and be fancy.
It's kind of hard though. They all look pretty similar too. Okay. I think I know what that one is too. Oh my gosh, I don't know. They're kind of hard.
All right.
Okay. This one is PC.
Going for a second taste.
I think this one. No, I need to double check.
So clearly, she doesn't know her root beers like I know my ginger ale.
Okay, I'm going to say. Barks A&W PC mug.
Incorrect.
Darn it. Okay. PC?
Incorrect.
What?
A is mug. B is PC.
Oh my god.
C is Barks. And D is A&W.
Oh my gosh.
So clearly, folks, we have a winner.
I'm ashamed that I don't know my root beers. This is PC?
That is PC. Let's just double check the card to make sure. PC.
Oh my gosh.
Well, folks, there you have it. I know my ginger ale better than Amanda knows her root beer.